In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, then let's go to contacts, pick the one that you would like to add this profile picture to, and select edit contact. And now just click on profile picture icon, and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me choose something. And now just pick the picture that you would like to set as your profile picture, like this contact profile picture. Then you can customize it as only you want to. Tap on done then, and click on save. And that's it. As you can see from now on, whenever one will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it. That will be all. This is how you can personalize contacts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.